Hey all, this is Vignesh Kumar from SNS College of Technology, Department of IT as an assistant professor. This is lecture video series number 3. And that is previous video series number says about what is meant by computer, what are all basic things in a computer. This video says about what is meant by algorithm. Normally when we say about algorithm, when we say that's a step-by-step procedure or step-by-step sequence to perform an operation. Normally the step-by-step is nothing but a sequence of instructions to describe a method for solving an algorithm. That is automatically for when we take an example of coming to the college from home, what we done when we should get out from the house, we should go to the bus stop, we should take the bus from the college and we should reach the college bus stop, and then we should come to the college and enter into the class. This is called step 1. Step 2, that is step 1 is coming out of the home. Step 2 is going to go into the bus stop. Next step 3 is getting the bus, and step 4 is going down to the college bus stop. Next coming to the college. Step 6 is reaching the classroom. This is the same simple solution to coming from home to college that is our classroom. Similar to that, algorithm is a set of instructions which says what and all the sequence of steps to be performed to solve a problem. Normally when we write an algorithm, it should be in a simple English to such that it understand by everyone. Each and every instruction should be prescribed and it should be unambiguous. It is being used useful to everyone. Yes, the instruction should not be repeated. For example, the same step should not be repeated again and again. Next, algorithm should have we should have a start and end of and stop process. Every process has a start and every process stop. When does not have any stop process, it's called infinite process. But algorithm should have a start and it should not be repeated infinitely. An algorithm should conclude a finite number of steps, and algorithm should have an end point. That is, once all algorithm should have a perfect output, that is nothing but derived result should be obtained only after the algorithm terminates. Okay. Next we'll be seeing about what is qualities of good algorithm. Normally when we say qualities in the parameters consist of time, memory and accuracy. When we take a time, when we write an algorithm, this algorithm should be converted into a program. To execute this program, it should take a very minimum of time. That should be lesser in time. Next we go on to memory. You should take very less memory. Next accuracy. Accuracy is something, but it produce when the same person is been when the same person is been there. When both of them write an algorithm, here accuracy says how fast, how shorter, how less storage this algorithm works. That is, it provides more accurate result than another algorithm. So the qualities of algorithm depends upon the time, memory and accuracy. Okay. Next thing is we are going to see about what is called as building blocks of algorithm. Normally the building blocks of algorithm consist of states, statements, control flow and function. States, statements, control flow and function. Normally what is meant by statement? A statement is a simple sentence written in algorithm for specific. For example, a start. Read A comma B. C equal to A plus B. Print C. Stop. This is called statements. That is, statements consisting of an assignment statement, that is input or output statements or command statements. There may be input or output or command statement. The statement might include some of the following actions such as input. You should get input data from the program. You should process the data and should give the process data as an output data or process result. For example, when we take an example of calculation A plus B, we read A comma B. That read A comma B is nothing but your input statement. Calculate C is called A plus B is nothing but your assignment statement. Print the value of C, that is print C is nothing but your output statement. And the double slash is nothing but your command statement. This is called as statements. Next, you are going to say it's about states. States an algorithm is a deterministic automation of accomplishing the goal which is in a given initial state and terminal state in an defined state. In other words, it stays. A normal state is then when we have a gaming program. What we said, what is only level 1, level 2, level 3? That is after completion of level 1, it goes to level 2, level 3. In case we are not able to complete in level 3, again we need not to go to level 1. Instead, we go to for level 2. That is called stage. With this regard, I said state is a transition of one process to another process. Algorithm is considered a start state and end state. That is always algorithm should have a start state and end state. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and let's be seen in lecture series number 4.